Gratitude Reviews, and today we're unboxing Gramma in a Box. I haven't done this one in so long. If you're not familiar with this subscription box, this is a monthly cookie and candy crafting subscription box developed by a grandmother who was long distance to stay in touch. She Skyped with her grandkids and did these little projects over Skype, so it's a great way to bond. Long distance, close distance, whatever, you can do that with these boxes. Every month is the theme, and then every package has 2 crafts in it. Each box is $25 if you want just a one-time, or you can subscribe and get 10% off. So it's $25 for one time, $22.50 for a subscription. I have done these in the past. I will link down below to my blog. We'll actually do all of these so you can see them come to life. My kids have such a blast. Cleanup is easy, great for mixed ages. Like, cannot speak highly enough about this. Love it. This is their October box. We're going to open it up. It says October 2021 Halloween themed treats. And then there's a list of all the contents. The first project is Glossybox. So there's that. It includes melting chocolate, candy eyes, fondant mouths, and nonpareils. And then the second project is always cookie decorating. So these are Halloween cookies. And for this, you have sugar cookies, frosting, sanding sugar, and Halloween sprinkles. There is also like an ingredients list. So if you have allergies and things like that, you can you know, look at the ingredients. They do have, oh, this is just tell a friend. Thought it was a referral program. Nope. All right. So here is, my melting chocolate's popped open. All right. Here is everything. Comes really cute. So first off, there are our cookies. So there are 3 of these pumpkins, 3 of these candy corn. So these are all sugar cookies. They're almost always sugar cookies. I think one time there were gingerbread. 3 of these witches' hats. And 3 of these ghosts. So there is a total of 12 cookies in here. Every month the melting chocolate color changes. This month it is just white. So you put this in a microwavable safe dish first. Then you put it in the microwave and you melt it. And then you can use it to frost and do all sorts of fun stuff. So then there's also... inside here, there are, it looks like 4 different color frostings. There's a purple, a yellow, an orange, and a white. They're in individual frosting bags. To cut this, you need them very well. Cut the tip off, and then you can just use them to frost and then throw them away. They're really cool. Really love the idea. So you'll use those for your cookies. Oh, there's some little erasers in here too. Super cute. There are some popsicle sticks, which we'll be using for our ghoulish pops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll be making 8 of those. So there are 20 completed crafts in here. So for our sprinkles, I'm not going to open this up yet because then I don't want anything to pop open. There are some multicolored nonpareils in like Halloween colors. So there's black, purple, white, yellow, orange. Then there's some purple sugar crystals, orange sugar crystals, jimmies that are in fun colors, and also some Halloween shapes in there. They're brown, yellow, orange, and white. And then there's like little ghosts and things like that. There are black nonpareils, and there are these little eyes, so that we'll be using those on our ghoulish pops. And then finally at the bottom of our box is 2 pieces of parchment paper. You can lay everything out on this, let it set and dry, and then clean up. It makes cleanup so easy. So in your box for $25, you get your 2 pieces of parchment paper. You get 12 cookies. You get 4 pouches of frosting. You get your melting chocolate, your popsicle sticks, 8 of those, and then your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different kinds of sprinkles and 2 little fun erasers. So if you want to see everything come to life, please do check that out below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.